Okay, welcome student. Here we are discussing about the case study on artificial intelligence in disaster management. Disaster management this means earthquake, flood prediction. Some case studies are my students will explain here. Welcome.
Hello everyone, we are here to present our case study about artificial intelligence in disaster management. Natural disasters such as floods, earthquake, cyclone, and wildfires cause huge damage in life and property and in everywhere. In a traditional methods, disaster prediction is response to the slopes and less accurate. And that's why artificial intelligence plays a vital role. And AI systems can predict disasters before what will happen. And the analyzing databases of images and help a government to rescue the operations and the quick fast. And here, AI uses of machine learning, deep learning, and big data analysis understand the problems and patterns. Example like predicting flows, analyzing and the rainfall, and rivers levels, and all the conditions. And in this case study, we have explored how AI are helping the world handling and disaster more efficiency. Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to know about how AI predicts the flood. One major example, Google and the Indian Central Water Commission have developed an AI flood forecasting model that uses satellite data and weather information to predict flood in advance. The system sends real-time alert through Google Maps and Android notifications to people living in flood-prone areas. For example, in Bihar and Assam, the system successfully predicted river floods hours before they happen, allowing evacuation and saving thousands of lives. AI also helps in mapping flood zones using drone and satellite images, identifying the most affected areas for the faster relief. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Now I have to speak about the topic AI in earthquake and wildfire management. Another covered use of AI used in earthquake and wildfire prediction. Japan uses AI system that analyzes seismic data from the thousands of sensors to detect as small ground vibrations often come before the earthquake. Whenever it comes to earthquake, it notifies the symptoms are signaled using detectors, sensors and detectors. These systems can issue warning just a second before a major quake. Give people time to take safety and measure to the pressure. Similarly, in the United States, NASA's AI model named Firecast Predictor World Fire Risk to analyze temperature, humidity, and wind speed satellite imaging. AI tools include moderate resolution imaging, speed motorizing, helps track activity fire zones, and send alerts to emergency response. These technologies reduce the response time and help friend fire reaches the extra affected areas faster. Thank you.
Okay, so my students explained about the disasters like earthquake, flood prediction, and wildfire prediction. So next, the benefits and challenges discussed by Mohila.
Now I'm going to talk about the benefits, challenges, and conclusions. Early warning system. AI provides a faster and more accurate disaster prediction, efficient rescue operation, helps locate victims and plan evacuation victims. Data-driven decision. Government can allocate resources better. Cost reduction. Reduction finance allows for preventing large-scale damage. However, there are some challenges too. Lack of real-time data in some regions, high cost of sensor in AI infrastructure, data privacy, and the need of skilled AI professionals. In conclusion, AI has become a game changer in saving lives and property during disaster. With better technology and cooperation between governments and researchers, AI can make the world safer and more prepared for the natural calamities. In conclusion, artificial intelligence has become one of the most powerful tools in modern tech advancement. And by using the machine learning, algorithms, satellite imagery, and real-time sensors and predictive models, the AI can identify the different risky and helpful authorities to take a faster decisions and from that sources India to advance predict as Japan and wildlife predictions in the United States. The AI also proven ability worth thousands of lives, and although there is a challenges such as high cost and the data of lack and the technical limitations, in the advantages are so far greater. And then with the continuous improvement of technologies and the global collaboration, AI will make this predictive and more accurate responsive and efficient. Overall, all AI is just not a technology, it is also the life saving and the strengthening of our ability and to face the future disasters and the confidence. Thank you.
Okay, so your my students were explaining very well on the topic, case study on the topic artificial intelligence in disaster management. Hope all of you understand very well. Thank you.